Hey guys, thank you for coming to my new vlog. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon and like the video. So before I start, I would like to inform you that the blueberry vlog is coming up with a big surprise Eid giveaway. So stay tuned and make sure to follow and head on to our Instagram account for daily updates. Ramadan Kareem to all my blueberry fam. Ramadan is a special month for over 2 billion Muslims throughout the world. Ramadan is the Arabic name for the 9th month in the Islamic calendar. It is considered as one of the holiest Islamic months. So to welcome this beautiful holy month of Ramadan, we decided to decorate our house. So for the decoration, I decided to do some DIY at home, as I can invest my time in creating something good, and thankfully they looked good and beautiful as well. Moving ahead, I took some cardboard leftover and tried to shape up them as moon and star. Later on, I spray painted them with golden color. So for Ramadan Kareem banner, I chose golden and white color theme as it complements my white wall as well. As I already have a printer at home, so I just fixed the letter and printed them. BUSSINESS is the traditional authentic fragrance used on special occasions and makes your house smell refreshed. I had bought this alphabetic light box from Amazon, which you can edit occasionally as per your requirement. I bought some lanterns from Homebox before. I thought the lanterns were perfect for the decor. With the lanterns, I have placed some candles as well on the table, which really complements the decoration. It goes with this fairy lights to give a complete golden aesthetic look. How can we forget Ramadan's special drink, Ruh Afza? Yes, it is the most famous and favorite drink around the world. Dates are the most important traditional element of Ramadan. It is also a holy fruit of Islam. These beautiful flower vases with colorful flowers completes the picture of my table setup for the decoration. I got these flower vases few from Home Center, Pen Emirates. Dry fruit platter enhanced the look on the table as it looked more authentic and cultural. So with this white and golden color decoration theme, I tried to add some bright color. So I decided to add red color table runner along with the side table. To complete this decor, I added red and golden color carpet along with red color cushions, which enhance the beauty of Ramadan decoration. Along with that, I placed fur rug by the side with blue glitter cushions. So with this guys, I would like to end my vlog. Please do follow my Instagram page to get daily updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel with your friends and family. See you in my next vlog. Bye for now.